At Malabar Restaurant in Lima, Chef Pedro Miguel Schiaffino has made it his mission to introduce Peruvians to the Amazon's wealth of ingredients. Applying his European training to indigenous jungle products like fresh hearts of palm, the pea-sized pepper known as ají charapita, and the cocona, a tart fruit nicknamed the tomato of the jungle, Chef Schiaffino has created a cuisine that is uniquely his own. In the kitchen of his restaurant, Chef Schiaffino has gathered some of the Amazonian products that he showcases on his groundbreaking menu.
In Lima, or in the Andes and the coast, the main ingredient for our seasoning, our sofrito, or our, how do you say in English? Our sofrito or seasoning is yellow chili pepper. No, that's, for me, this is, I can travel anywhere in the world and I will do Peruvian food with ají amarillo, no? If I don't have this, it's difficult to do Peruvian cuisine. So, but the Amazon, they use one root that was introduced that is called palillo or curcuma. Curcuma, along with achote, those red seeds, are along with this herb that is the culantro, are the base for the Amazonian seasoning, along with the garlic and also the onions. So they have their own seasoning or sofrito or base for preparing their food that is totally different from the rest of Peru. So that's also very interesting. Well, this is the king of the chilies from the Amazon. This is called charapita. I love this chili because it's have the perfect hotness and it's very, very aromatic. If you squeeze it, you automatically will feel the aroma of it. It's you can make a nice hot sauce like Tabasco that is very unique with this. It's very interesting. And the combination of these three, sometimes plus onions, makes the Amazonian salsa. This is cocona. Cocona is a fruit related to tomato. And it's a fruit that is well spread over the Amazon. It's already well spread in Lima. And this fruit has a very balanced acid flavor. And that makes it very interesting to make salsa. Like onion salsa, you make cocona salsa. You can make ceviche tiradito with this. It's very interesting. You can make juices, you can make ice cream. And this chili here, capsicum chinese, it's called ají limo. This is also with this chili for me, and well, I can say with this and with all of them, but I like it to make ceviche with this. This is the perfect chili to make ceviche. It gives you the perfect hotness and a lot of aroma, and it's very, very, very nice chili. And this is also family of ají limo, another type. We have different colors, but this is hotter. Some root tubers or roots. These are tubers from the Amazon. This is mashua. This is used in the Andes many ways. Desserts and bread or stew, or even pachamanca is you find it. It's the flavor kind of like between a sweet potato and it has a unique flavor, but between a sweet potato and a carrot, I can say. And this is called oca. This is another tuber. It's very nice. It has a unique flavor, similar to mashua, but more pronounced. It's different, no? Some potatoes, we call them now native potatoes. This is one of the native potatoes we have. You already know it's the year of the potato. We have as many as 300 varieties. This is a yellow potato. This is good for making causa. It's unique because, well, now I think it's grown in Spain and in the States. I think they're already growing this in somewhere, I don't know, but it's typical from Peru, native from Peru. And this is the heart of palm. Heart of palm, that we can see it here shredded. we can say that we have like 8 types of palm that we take the heart of it. And the most common one and the more abundant, or the one that has more core or center or heart, is the Wasai palm. From the Wasai in the Amazon, all these palms, they use their fruits, they use the inside, they use the leaves, they use the bark, they use everything from the palm. It's very interesting. It's very good for the economy of the Amazon.
With this treasure trove of raw materials, Chef Schiaffino produces such signature dishes as Amazonian catfish on a puree of yuca with shredded hearts of palm and river snails. His elegant dining room is the perfect place to sample cutting-edge Peruvian cooking.